Hey, what's up everybody around the world? Welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. Today I'm going to show you how to create another interesting building design in Revit. This building design is using some kind of floor or triangle shape. As you can see on my screen here, we got some photo reference before we jumping into our project. Okay, so now I think it's pretty much for our photo reference. Let's jumping into our project together. I also got some project reference before we start draw our building here. Okay, so, alright guys, as you can see on my screen here, we got some project reference. It's our building, it's complex shape building here. As you can see, we got some kind of complex shape building. And of course, I will guide you and give you a quick concept and quick way to create those kind of complex shape building like here. As you can see here. Okay, so now before I getting started, I would like to ask you, and this is your first time reaching out to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure hit subscribe button below and turn on for all notifications so you won't miss my future tutorial. Now again, let's speak into our project together. Control N on my keyboard for shortcut key, then I prefer using for matrix architecture template. Just hit OK. Then I'm going to look for 3D here. When we got two templates, here is my previous project and here is another template for project. I think I don't want to make this one quite messy. I will close this one up first. Now we are in the Revit architecture template. What we need to do firstly we need to add some floor and we draw some kind of triangle shape. I'm going to my architecture tab here. Go to our floor, just like our floor. Simply use our line here. Start from first point and make it about 8 meters. Make sure here is only for 20 degrees, as you can see here. Then continue. Make this one straight. Hit escape. Select my line here. For mirror. We need to use our mirror tool here a lot actually here. Try to use shortcut key as my suggestion because make your workflow is faster. Then li line again, select here for mirror. As you can see, it's quite fast. We got 3 triangle shape by using our mirror. Then I can select all my line here. CO for copy, start from here until here, and RO for rotate, start rotate from here and make it about 90 degree. And I can zoom in here. V for move, select from here until here. Again, V again. We need to select our point here to connect it. And the for draw mirror, I can select all of this here. Make sure you select all. Then the for draw mirror, I can start draw mirror here. Make it straight. Again, I can select my first 6 point here or 6 line here. The again for draw mirror, start draw here until here, then hit escape a couple times. Now we got our floor shape already, as you can see, but I want to make it more thicker. How to do that? I can go to my floor, edit type, edit again. Then I'm going to insert another structure here, make this one up. First thing I will consider this one is slab. I will make it 200 millimeter. And for structure here, I'm going to change it for finish one. And I will make it for brick wall. We zoom it for brick wall. Then I will make it for brick wall height from slab until top about 1.3 meter. And for the last one, I will consider this one for tiling or with our cement sand. So I will make it about 100 millimeter. Hit up, hit OK, hit apply, and OK again. It's perfect. As you can see here, we got preview here. Then I can hit finish up. And what I'm going to do next, I can go to my level 2 here. And of course, I could not show my level 1 here. So how to do that? I'm going to view rank here. We are for view rank. We'll make it from bottom one is make it for unlimited, and view depth here we'll make it for unlimited as well. Hit apply, hit finish. Now we saw our flooring here. So what we need to do next, I'm going to my architecture tab again. Then using our floor, simply using our pick line, I'm going to pick here first point, second point, third point, fourth point. Again, I'm going to pick here also. Then use our line here. Start use here for straight line. The reason I draw that because we need to mirror here. When I draw it out, you will saw that for mirror, as you can see, and then I'm going to delete. Make sure you hold Control key, just reminding you for multiple selection. And here again, select our fourth point here and mirror again, or you can go to your toolbar there. Here is our mirror and here is our draw mirror. Got pencil here. Okay, now we got our two line there. We need to use our mirror, draw mirror here. I can draw mirror here, select all here, then draw mirror here, or the for shortcut key. Again, I need to use pick line again. Pick here 1, 2, and hit escape. Then use our line here for reference. Make it straight here. First, second, mirror 1, 2, 3. Hit delete or DE for shortcut keys, like my first two line there. The draw mirror here, and select this guy there. The again for draw mirror, start here until here, then hit escape. Perfect, we got our second floor also. Just hit finish up. Now it's time to draw our level, or we can straight away draw our curtain panel. I need to go to my start elevation first because I need to create another level here, easier for me. And of course I want to adjustment my level also because here is look not properly. I can draw it out here. The reason we just draw our level 2 and level 1 is coming up because here is locked. As you can see, we got locked here, and then I'm going to draw it out also. Perfect. So now I can use array tools like my level 2 there, and AR for array for shortcut key, and start from first here, make it about 4 meters for every floor, and I simply tie it about 27. Let me solve first. Okay, I like it is about 100 meters. It's enough for me. Hit escape a couple times first. Then I can go to my we go to our level 1 here, wall, use a pick line. Make sure we offset about 3 meters, go in and finish on level 2, and make sure we minus for 1.5 because our floor thickness is 1.5. This is the reason. So I can start pick here, as you can see. Just follow our triangle shape here. So the width will be automatic for cutting. We don't need to trim again. And I can select my whole panel, just hit a tab key for select all. And then I'm going to change it to storefront. Will be take a few seconds because we got change a lot of panel. Hit escape a couple times. Go to our level 1 here, and I need to pick here also. And basically I'm going to WA for shortcut key again. Pick line, same as our previous process. Make it about 3 meters for offset, and this one is correct. We just follow here. Okay, sorry, let me hit Ctrl Z first. Hit escape a couple times. TR, trim and extend here. For some reason the width will be never cut properly. Here you need to trim here. Select all my panel here again. Make sure you hit a tab key if you want to select all. Then you just right click on your cursor, change it to our storefront here. So we will take a few seconds again. Later on will be take more about 1 minute or 2 minutes, but I will skip that. Don't worry about that. Hit escape a couple of times. I can go to my sound elevation here, as you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to copy. Let me think first. Okay, we just like all here like this. Hit a tab key. Here one. Hit a tab key again. Then I'm going to copy all. AR for array. I'm going to array it. Then I can start from, make sure you take for constraint, start from here and untake for constraint. We need to take for constraint. Let me see first. Okay, for some reason we could not array here. As I remember last time we can array. Let me think the solution first. Hit escape first. Okay, no brainer. I will copy that. Then I can pass it to level 3. Okay, perfect. Now I will copy all of them. Then starts CO for copy. Start from unconstrained. Start from here until here. Or you can using for copy to clipboard. Depend on what is the best way for you. Hit escape first. Let me think about what is the best way we can achieve that. Okay, again start from here one. Hit a tab key. Okay, let me think first what is the best solution in this situation. Maybe I want to start array again. Let's see how. AR for array. Okay, we could not array that for some reason. Okay, so I will continue to this process and I will make each one faster. Hit escape first. It's time to continue. Copy this. We just continue copy. So here later on you can adjustment here. Okay, let me try another time because for some reason maybe we array our level here, that's why we couldn't array all. So I can select all here, then SA for select all element, then ungroup. Okay, I think maybe this is the reason that we couldn't array our element here. Again, we try to array again because I don't want to waste time. We select one by one is waste our time. AR for array. Come on. Okay, this is the reason because we never ungroup our previous level here. Our previous level is we got array also. This is the reason, and I can try it out. Here is faster already, and I will try it out about 10. So let's wait and see the final result together. Okay guys, so here is our final arrangement. You can see here, but we need to add more floor here, but let me try out 11. Is perfectly actually, so I can go to my 3D here, open up my 3D. Come on. Okay, then I can select my panel here for the top here. Hit a tab key, then simply delete it. Okay, and then I'm going to change it for graphic, make it more look interesting a bit. Okay, I know the reason why it become more darker here. I can simply select here and SA for shortcut key and EOD for override graphic shortcut key, and use this one for white color. Apply. It's okay. Okay, as you can see, it's quite realistic and quite interesting for our design here. But of course, when you zoom in closely, you might be show some problem. This is the reason you need to adjustment. My purpose to create those building is try to give you a concept to create those kind of complex shape for our building here for facade design or exterior design. And of course, I will give you another concept to create your column and beam also. I can go to my level 1 here. I will make it faster and change this one to fine and make this one to, where is our level 1? Let me, this one is our level 1, and I'm going to add another. Let me hide our glass first. We hide for high element. Then now it's time to create our grid line. I will make it faster. A scan LI for shortcut key. Simply draw here. Again, I need to copy that. Okay, then again here again for another vertical here. Make sure you turn on for multiple selection. Then here I need to move also, V for move. Okay, I think it's perfect. GR for grid line. Start draw from here until here, hit escape. Then I can CO for copy. Just continue copy, follow our previous line here. Okay, again GR for vertical, start from first point here and until here. For the grid line here, we'll make it for, rename it for, click here twice, make it for A, big character. Yep. CO for copy, start copy from here 1 2 and okay, we copy wrong already. CO for copy, start copy from here 1 and 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, hit escape a couple times. Then I can simply delete my previous line here. Just delete it again. Delete it again. Okay, it's perfect. And then I'm going to adjustment here, make it properly. Okay, and here again. Okay, it's time to add our column. I can go to my structure here, then go to column, structure or column. As a default, we got only for steel structure, but I want to use concrete. I will using for this one is beam. Okay, sorry. So we could not load that. Need to load again. English. Then we finding for structural column, concrete. I'm going using for rectangle. Okay, make it for 2.5 meter or grid. Simply add here like this, then hit finish. But I want to make all of them more bigger. SA for select all element. You can select your column here and SA for select all element, and we drop down finding for 600 by 250. And of course I need to add beam also. Go to our structure, beam here, load family. Then we need to going out, finding for structural framing, concrete, using, I think using this one, and we'll make it for, okay, 400 by 800, all grid here, just like all here like this. Simply hit finish. So we'll be finished up actually. Okay, for some reason our beam could not see because when we place on our level 1 will be our beam will be start from our ground. So this is the reason we could not saw that. But basically, if you want to apply your column, you must be go to your level 2 to apply that. But as I told you before, this tutorial not cover for structure. I just give you a quick concept. Then I can select all my column here, SA for all column, copy to clipboard. Simply we copy to all level here. Okay, so far we will take a few seconds again for finish up our column. Okay, so we go to our 3D here. Okay, the final floor we just delete, don't care about that. As you can see, we got our column, but here is going out. You need to delete an adjustment and arrangement there. Basically we need to adjustment here because our column is outside, and you can extend also. Okay guys, so I think I just leave it like this. Here you need to delete it. Let me delete out first. I don't want to make it like this. Okay, a lot actually. Come on, we are more done. DE for the lid. Okay, as you can see, we got our column, we got our beam. Basically our beam is here, as you can see. So you can select all here, then copy as well. You can just select SA for select all element, then simply go to copy to clipboard and pass and align to level. Then simply start from level 2 until the rest here is follow same instruction for our column there. Okay guys, I think it's pretty much for this tutorial. I hope you got learned something new about that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, like and share. Make sure hit subscribe for motivate me to bring more professional content about Revit. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you for another tutorial in Revit, and have a nice day. Thank you.